FourQ recently sent us an underwater fishing camera kit, so today we're going to quickly set it up so you can get an idea of how it works. The camera comes with a universal pole mount with an adjustable clamp that attaches directly onto your fishing rod, which is exactly what we're doing here. You can use the screw to tighten or loosen the clamp, which means you could also opt to clamp this onto the side of your boat. And then on the other end of the clamp, we have a bracket so we can mount the LCD monitor. Next, the buoy gets hooked directly to the video cable, which, by the way, can bear up to 200 pounds. On the other end of the cable, we've plugged it into the LCD display monitor. So, for demonstration purposes, we're going to place this camera into a bucket of water, which represents the lake. And for fun, we even have some toy sea creatures inside the bucket. Back to the monitor, we've powered it on and now we have a view from the underwater camera. In reality, this video is not doing any justice to the clarity we see on the display monitor. The camera is actually high definition and the colors are bright, clear, and pretty vivid for such a small display. And the lens has 220 degrees wide angle. And so, just by this basic setup, you can see how convenient it is to have the monitor mounted to the fishing rod so you can see exactly what is going on underwater as you fish. The display gives you a real time view of what is underwater as you maneuver your fishing rod. And speaking of the display, there are several buttons on the panel that will allow you to make various viewing adjustments. This is the output voltage. You can also adjust the brightness of the display screen. There's also an option to adjust the image contrast, the color saturation, and the image sharpness. And in case you want a closer look at what's underwater, you can also zoom in or you can zoom out to get a wider view. You can also change the base color by adjusting the color temperature. There's also a fishing aid that you can toggle on or off for the infrared LED lights to activate night vision so you can see in deeper, darker, and murky water. And you can also adjust the percentage of the base color. And finally, you can change the language and select one of the 9 other languages they support.